Do you want volume for your thick hair? I love volume. I find that when I do my hair straight, or if I have it professionally styled, it can be too straight and then I have no volume up here. And I love volume. My regular hair is thick, coarse, it's frizzy, it's curly. And so I'm used to having bigger hair, and I love height. I love having some height at the crown of my head. So for me, when I do my hair smooth like this, I still want to add volume up here. And to do that, there's so many ways to do it. You could back comb it, you could use a texturizing spray, but you could also use a hair tool that's just meant for volume. And let me introduce you to the Voloom. So this is the Voloom 2.0. It's a 1-inch hair tool that has like a crimping iron right in here, and it is going to give you the volume that you want to create that nice lift at the crown of your head. Now, it's so cool, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and why I love it. Let's just talk about the tool first and what comes with it. Here's the pink. It comes in a bunch of different colors. It has an on and off button right here with different heat selections, so you can go up and down. Then you have the heat selection right here, and you should look at the directions for what's right for your hair texture. If you have thin, if you have fine hair, if you have thick or coarser. I'm at 395, so I'm gonna stick with that. And then there's this unlock and unlock button right here. So it's so lightweight. It has a twisting cord like this. It has a little hook that you can hang it on if you want. And this lock mechanism, where is it? Right here, can keep it locked like this. So when you're traveling, you can lock it like that and open it. And then it comes with its own heat pad and carrying case, which is so great if you're going to travel or if you just want to store it away, and also so it protects your surface when you put it down. So let's put that down right there. It's already heated up. You also get one of these great brush combs. This is great if you want to add a little bit more back comb. This is the best tool. Plus it has this pointed end, which you can use to section off your hair. So I love that they give this to you as well. I mean, who gets all this stuff when you order a new product? So that's great. And on top of that, you get 3 hair clips so that you can put your hair back. So everything comes in the box. It is super easy. You can just take it all out and plug it in. So let's get into how to use the Voloom. I want to have height up here, and that's what it does. So I am just going to take my hair like sort of maybe an inch off my ear like that and pull it back. I'm not going to start this low, but I wanted to show you. I think I want to start like right here. So I'm going to go down a little bit like that and right here. So I'm going to go maybe 2 inches off my, I'm not good at the directions or the measurement right there, but I'm going to go about right there. Twist this up and use one of the clips they give us, which is so handy. Okay, just like that. So we've got the hair, we have it up, and then what we want to do is just take a small section like this. So it's just like maybe an inch section, and you could use this if you wanted to. You could just take this like that, pull it like that. Brush it up if you wanted like that, right? And then you're going to take the tool and you're just going to close it like that. You're not going to press, you're not going to hold it, you're not going to, do too firm. You're just going to tap it. So what I like to do is take the tool, hold my hair, and I'm going to go up like this. I'm going to 2 taps like that. And you can see it has a little bit of volume right there, and it's going to get fuller. See, as if you push it, it gets fuller. And then I'm going to take down some more of my hair right here. I want to make sure I'm just doing it in the back. So I'm going to take this down like this, a little bit like that. Again, twist it back up. And this should not take you very long at all. I'm going to take my comb, I want to kind of miss this part of hair right here, right? Bring that forward, and I'm just going to do the second section right here. And again, take the tool, oh, maybe I'll look at you so you can see it better, up like this, down by the root, so get right down there, touch it, and that's it. And I like to sort of hold it up here to cool off and then drop it down. Now you can see how it's getting some volume, and then I'm going to do one more, just a little bit more right here. Do this right here. Twist back my hair. This little piece right here. Where are you? You're right here. And if you go over it again, it's okay. So if I took a little bit more than I meant to, so up, clamp, and then down. And look at that. See the volume that it gives my hair? So let's take this side down, and I'm going to show you what it looks like this. Now, you can see that there's more volume on this side versus this side. See how there's that? I want to add a little bit more under my bangs, so I'm going to go right in here, and I'm going to take a piece right in here. Again, my hair kind of covers it because I've got the bangs, and I'm just going to go whoop, whoop. I'm not worried about having, that's just going to get cool, and once it cools, it's going to, just going to puff it up like that. You see how it gets that volume? What I like to do is take, when I've finished doing it, I like to do one more quick pass. So I'll take sort of my bangs over to the side, and I'll go up here to the top, right, where I want my volume. And I'll do a quick pass like that, and I'll push it over, and I'll do another small section right here. Out, and I see how it's, so I'll just lay it on the other side as it cools, and then I'll do another little small section here. Now I like volume, so if you don't want this much volume, you don't have to do this. Just be careful as we pull it out. And I like to lay it over on the side so it cools. And then another little piece right here. Okay. And then I'm going to do a little bit back here, just so that it goes around my crown, you know. This piece right here. Off, and a little bit right here. You can never have too much volume. And then I like to let it cool before I pull it down, because that will lock it in. And then, look at that. See the volume? See the difference? And then just puff it up a little bit, and you have all this beautiful volume. And if you compare it to this side, which is flat, you can see the difference. This is one of the best tools for volume. You can always go in, if you want to tweeze it a little more, you can add a little bit of spray so that it keeps it. But for me, this just adds the right amount of volume for how I like to wear my hair. So that's it. So if you like this video, if you're interested in anything I used, I'll link it down below. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when other videos go up. I have lots of hair and makeup tutorials, perfect for someone who has thick, curly, wavy, frizzy hair, from wearing it straight, wearing it curly, and all the things that have worked for me over the years. So thank you so much for being with me in this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.